Hello everyone, it's me Shyam and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to make a video on the topic which is power of Python. What we actually can do by using the Python. What are the different uses of Python? What are the different facts, unknown facts behind the Python? Why AI is revolving around the Python? What the backbone of the AI, and why the modern AI is just focused or just based on the Python, and why actually everyone using the Pythons by making any AI related project. So everything we are gonna discuss in this video. So at the end of this video, I'm pretty much sure that you will definitely gonna learn something new, something interesting about the Python. And I also make the video regarding the AI, machine learning and data science in future. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and let's get started. Here you can see the power of Python. What you can actually do Python by using this Python. Like Python is actually using nowadays. Python is actually using nowadays everywhere. Now here you can see the power of Python. Like by using the Python, you can do variety of the AI related things. That's why the Python is emerging in these days, specifically in the field of the AI. So now here I have put here the around six. There are the sixth chapter, which will give you the overview of why the Python is more powerful than other language, and why you need to learn Pythons, and what are the major opportunity advantages once you get learn Python. What are the different career opportunity which you can pursue by using Python once you learn the Pythons. So without further delay, let's get started. In the introduction session, I have just written here something interesting. Before we talk about the Python, let's quickly understand what the Python actually is. Well, the Python is actually developed by the Guido van Rossum in 1989, but it was actually released in the 1991. And why the people actually learns Python? Because it's of course simple, easy to learn, no more syntax, and its syntax is also much more simple. And why the Python is becoming much more popular in this AI era or modern days, because by using the Python you can make the variety of the project like artificial intelligence, or you can make the different career like in the field of the AI, cybersecurity, and then data science, machine learning, DevOps, cloud computing, and many more. There are various career opportunity once you get learn Python. That's why most of the people are learning Python. And yeah, here's the interesting fact. And why some people think like Python names actually come after the snake Python, but it's actually not like that. Python is actually inspired by the British comedy show which name was the Monty Python Flying Circus, and Guido van was really working on one project and working on the one programming, and that's why Guido van Rossum put the name, and he likes that circus, and that's why the Guido van put its name Python. And what are the different Python based services that you are actually using nowadays in your daily life? Like also you can see in the YouTube recommendation system, Instagram recommendation system, ChatGPT, and then of course there are various fields in which the Python is actually using. And this is the first chapter where we're gonna study like what is the Python, what is the Christmas project that changed the world. Well, the Python was well, um, in the in that time, like in the 1989, there was no more social media, smartphone, or any such kinds of the things. And at that time, and Python, and at that time, Guido van Rossum wanted a programming language which should be the simple and easy to use, and then readable, and also enjoyable to use. And then he was just working on a side project who's in the Christmas holiday. That's why the name was holiday. And then he eventually create this Python. That side project eventually become the Python. And here is the first fact. I'm also going to tell you around the 5 facts of the Python. Here is the first fact. The people think like of course I have already told you, but let's see these facts. The people think that the Python is actually come after the name snake, but it's actually not like that. And it actually come from the British show, which is the actually the Monty Python, Python's Flying Circus, and Python is actually inspired by that circus. And this is the fact number 1. And here we are seeing that the chapter number 2, why the Python won the programming wars. Yeah, of course, this is the one of the most important things, or one of the most important agenda of this video. Why the Python won? Why the Python actually won all the programming wars? Because Python is actually, by using the Python you can do variety of things. Like you can make the website, you can make any chatbot or any web application, and then any cybersecurity related tasks, cloud computing, DevOps, and then there are many more things. And of course it is very much simpler to use. And this is the one things that I need to tell you. Other programming language force human to understand the machine. Other programming language force human to understand the machine, but here the Python actually work opposite. The Python actually allow machine to understand the human. It is the actually opposite of that. Other programming language force human to understand the machine, but Python force machine to understand the human. That's why the Python is actually won the war in the programming world. Of course, the syntax is very much simpler. Anybody can understand what the code is actually trying to show, trying to convey. Anybody can guess that as well. Even you don't know about the syntax, then also you can guess the output as well. And it is also flexible as well. It is the most scalable as well. That's why it is also used in the real world or the many of the applications. And here is the chapter number 3, which is the Python and AI revolution. Of course, the Python is the one of the major things which, that's why the AI is evolved this much. If there were no Python, then I don't think that this world evolved this much or this much faster. And Python is the one of the reason behind this revolution or this AI revolution. Because if you see anything related to AI, they are most working behind it Python. Or you can't even imagine AI without Python. Because if there is AI, then there must be the Python in behind. That's why the Python and the AI is revolving this much. Just because the help of this Python. Like you can see the ChatGPT we also use as well. ChatGPT, image generator, and many more things in everywhere. Like if you once you heard there is AI, then you can guarantee or you can certainly say that there must be Python in behind that AI. And there are, of course, there are around millions of library or package and package. And there are actually around 8,000. There are actually around 835,000 Python library and package available, because Python is actually anybody can make their own package and publish it, and that's why the number is rapidly growing. Because in daily cases there are hundreds of library are published every day. That's why it is actually rapidly growing, the number of library. And this is also one of the major reason why the Python is become more popular and most super powerful. And then here is the interesting fact number 2. Everyone of course I have this here is the interesting fact number 2, which is in every AI application, in every AI project, there must be Python working behind the scene. And here is the chapter number 4, where we're gonna study Python is everywhere. Why Python is everywhere? Because it is very much simpler. There are a huge amount of library. It is actually because this is the modern age, is actually the age of the AI, and there is the revolution of AI. So if you are building any project, then you should recommend or you should include the AI inside in your project. And if you are including the AI, then you must write the code in Python. That's why Python is becoming much more popular. There are numbers of social media which actually work on Python. There some of the parts are working or fully working, like Spotify, YouTube, or there is also the Instagram, and there are much more. OpenAI, of course, the OpenAI, Google, even NASA is also use the Python for the research purpose. There are multiple fields in which the Python is actually used, like entertainment, finance, healthcare, space exploration, of course. Here is the fact number 3. Like if you have a laptop, then you can do the same task that NASA is actually doing for their research. If you have the laptop, then you can do the same task that NASA is doing for their research. So Python is that much popular. This is also one of the main reasons. Now here is the Python, the real superpower of Python. What actually makes the Python superhero? There is a huge application of the Python, like in the case of the artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, website, and data science, data analyst, data scientist. Everywhere Python is actually using. That's why the Python is becoming much more popular, and I hope it will also going to much more popular than before, than now. And here are the most popular library. There are, of course, the Python. This is also one of the most important reason why the Python is becoming most powerful. And this is the one of the, because there are number of libraries, like there is around millions of library are available there, which are used for of course there which are used for their own purposes, like for the data science you can use the NumPy, Pandas, and then of course Matplotlib, Seaborn. NumPy is actually used for the numerical computation, like you can do all of the things stuff to be related to the numbers. And then of course pandas is actually work on the table like data set. And then matplotlib is the one of the library which through which you can plot the diagram, bar chart, pie chart, and then a scatter plot and much more things by using this matplot library. And similarly there is seedborn is also like matplotlib, but it has the more extended features than the matplotlib. So there is also the plotify as well. And now for the artificial intelligence, there is the library like PyTorch, TensorFlow, Keras, and much more library which actually use for the neural network. And now of course for the web development there are the three different popular framework which is actually used worldwide, like Django and Fast API, which is actually Django. Of course Django is the one of the most popular Python framework, because you can if you know Django, then you can make or build the scalable application, because Django is also used for the backend as well. And once you know the Django, then you can make your application much more scalable, because Django actually made for the scalability. And of course it is used for the computer vision, then cybersecurity, and then automation as well. And here is the interesting fact number 4. There are hundreds of thousands of Python library or package available. That's why, like, if you were thinking something, if like you are imagining something, there is the most chance or most probably they could already Python library for you. So if you are imagining something, like if you imagine what if this much like if you are imagining anything, then there is the most probability there is already a Python library for it. So Python has the giant amount of library actually. And here is the chapter number 6, why Python matters to you, like why you need to focus on Python, what actually can do by using Python. Of course this could be also one of the reason that you need to learn Python. Like Python is actually Python is actually applying everywhere nowadays. Like most of the projects are just by making on the foundation of Pythons. Or let's suppose if you are not using Python, but in nowadays in the modern AI age, if you are making any project, then there is of course you also might prefer this like to include AI based recommendation or AI based any service. So if you think to include the AI based service, then you must include their Python. So that's why the Python is actually working everywhere. And of course the career opportunity, here is the huge amount of the career opportunity of the Python. Once you get learn the Pythons and their related library, then you can get there is the door open for you for the like data scientist, AI engineer, data engineer, cyber security analyst, and then there is a much more AI opportunity and career like setup founder, and then Python developer as well. And here is the fact number 5, that many startups choose the Python. It's not because it is the simple, it is because it is very much simple or very much faster to build any project, and also very much faster to launch any project. So this is also the one of the fact. And here is my final quote to you guys. like Python is not belong to someone who just use Python. It's belong to someone who can create it, and that's why the Python could be the best solution or best choice for you guys. And thank you guys for watching this video till now, and thank you so much. If you like this video, then please comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, Shyam Kishor Shah. And this much for today, and thank you guys. Bye bye.